superstars! Welcome to Happy Learning Land! Today we're dancing with the dazzling yellow letter D. D says... D at the beginning. D-og. D. Duck. Quack, quack. D can be in the middle. D-I-N-O, O, Dino. Rock. B-E-D. Bed. Time to sleep. Let's write D. Start at the top, straight line down, big curve, dazzling D. You can read dog, duck, dino, bed. Amazing job! D dog, woof woof woof. D duck, quack quack quack. D-I-N-O Dino, roar roar roar. B-E-D bed, night night star. D, yellow and so fun. Letter D, everyone. Great job, superstars! You learned dog, duck, dino, and bed. See you next time for letter E.